Good morning. Let us study today steric effect. Steric effect of bulky substituents on Lewis acid base strength. Due to bulky substituents, there are steric effects. Steric strain. There are three types of steric strains. They are F strain, front strain, B strain, back strain, I strain, internal strain. Let us study one by one. Lewis acids, for example BF3, and Lewis bases, for example ammonia, they form adducts through coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. Lewis acids are electron pair acceptor, and Lewis bases are electron pair donor. For example, nitrogen in ammonia with lone pair donates its lone pair to boron atom to form coordinate covalent bond and adduct. Okay, now let us substitute hydrogen by methyl group, ethyl group, propyl group, etc. Similarly, ethyl group, propyl group. So, you have bulky substituents. As a result of bulky substituents, there will be steric effect. So, steric effect of bulky substituents influence the Lewis acid base strength and adduct formation, thereby adduct formation. So, steric effect of bulky substituents in general decreases the Lewis acid base strength. Why? Because of steric hindrance, because of bulky substituents, makes their approach difficult to form adduct. They are difficult to form adduct because of steric bulky substituents. Because of steric bulky substituents, steric effects, there are three types of strain. They are F strain. F stands for front, B strain, B for back strain, I strain, I internal strain. In this class, we will study in detail F strain, front strain. Let us consider the adduct formation between Lewis bases and Lewis acids to form adduct. For example, pyridine, Lewis bases, pyridine, 4-methyl substituted pyridine, 4-methyl pyridine, 2-methyl pyridine. 4-methyl pyridine is called picoline, 2-methyl pyridine is called 2-picoline. They form adduct with the trimethyl borane or boron trifluoride to form the adducts. The adducts bond energy are given here. The bond energy of the adduct NB, the bond energy of N nitrogen bond B. As you see, the bond energy is higher for 4-picoline compared to pyridine adduct because of the inductive effect. There are several factors which affect the acid base strength. One, inductive effect, resonance effect and steric effect. We have already studied about inductive effect and resonance effect. In this, we will study about steric effect on the acid base strength, Lewis acid base strength. Because of inductive effect, positive inductive effect, electron releasing, this is more basic, so the adduct is more stable. The adduct formed is more stable. It is more powerful donor than this. Therefore, the adduct is very stable, the bond energy is high. Similarly, in 2-picoline, it is expected to form stable adduct, but the adduct formed is unstable. Therefore, the bond energy is very, very less. Why the adduct is unstable? Why the adduct is unstable? Although there is inductive effect, positive inductive effect similar to here, it should have acted as strong base, Lewis base, but it is not, it is weaker. As I said earlier, due to positive plus I effect of methyl group on 2-picoline, is 2-picoline is should be more basic, that is strong electron pair donor compared to pyridine, but it is much weaker donor or base because of the adduct, because of the French strain. You will see in the next slide why it is much weaker donor or base. The adduct is, this adduct is very, very less stable. 2-picoline, the 2-picoline adduct is very unstable with less adduct bond energy. It is attributed to, it is much weaker base. It is attributed, or it is due to steric hindrance between the methyl groups on picoline and methyl groups on trimethyl borane. This effect is called F strain, French strain. Okay, this we will see in the next class. Back strain, what is called a back strain. This is front side bulky substituents affect the Lewis acid base strength. Similarly, in 2-picoline and BF3, this effect is also present. So this F strain steric effect has a very significant influence on the stability of the adduct and also and therefore on the acid base strengths. Because of the free rotation of the methyl group here as well as here, they occupy more space, they occupy more volume, resulting in steric hindrance which decreases the stability of the adduct. Okay, thank you for watching.